137. Can you just keep the radio clear?
Are you flying with him? Yeah, we just gotta talk to him real quick. That's a little weird, though. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
On February 23rd, 2025, Tampa International Airport Police responded to an FBI alert regarding a passenger who posted threatening content on social media. The critical factor: he made this threat while physically present at the airport he was threatening.
137. Can you just keep the radio clear?
Are you flying with him? Yeah, we just gotta talk to him real quick. That's a little weird, though. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Just do me a favor real quick.
Well, we'll explain in a minute.
Walk for me, please. Stay right there. All right. What happened? Yeah,
We'll
you can
explain
put
it
some
in a
posts
minute.
on social media. Put your legs up, please. Stay right there. You putting some threats on social media about bombing the airport?
We are we are aggravated.
You're aggravated? Did you say anything out like that?
I deleted right away.
You deleted it, so you did send those out.
Yeah, but I promise you I deleted it.
What did they say?
I'm aggravated with this fucking airport.
Okay.
It's because of social media. I don't know how to put it.
Yeah. No, stay right there. Don't turn around. Stay right there.
I swear to God, I don't got anything on me. What?
Well, here's the thing: when you post those things,
I understand.
they're immediately flagged.
Okay.
So you could post it and take it down in a half a second, and they're flagged. So this is why we're here.
What are you guys doing?
We'll explain in a minute.
Why is he handcuffed?
So why is he being?
Because it's a criminal investigation. He posted that he wanted to
I
bomb
understand
the
that, miss, but
airport. That's a problem. The FBI is involved.
100%.
So
100%,
let's leave it at that right now.
But wait, what is gonna happen now? Why
I don't
are you
know.
guys
We're
taking
gonna
him
talk
away?
to him. So just leave it alone.
Being a little so aggressive.
I don't
Doing
know.
nothing.
We're gonna
Okay.
talk to him. So.
You look at it from our point of view.
I
The
do.
FBI is involved.
100%.
He made a comment on
100%.
social media. Okay,
100%.
your man's not on the ground. He was not
100%.
hit. He was not
And I
hurt.
respect that.
Okay, I just got here. I saw from a distance.
I just want to know what's going on.
Okay.
Because the officer came over here kind of aggressive and just grabbed him up. That's the only thing. So we've been here since 6 in the morning.
All right.
Our flight's
Are,
at
are y'all with him?
Yes.
All right. For protocol, come up this one for me. Come on. I listen. I know.
Here, come up against the wall, please.
I know.
I don't have no problem, G.
Listen, after all of this, you can
Just
have
detaining you
a
right now
talk to
because
your
of what
friend.
happened and y'all are traveling.
Yeah.
Okay?
Put your hands behind your back.
100%.
We missed our flight.
I understand, bro. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. I'm just agitated. If I can sleep on the floor since 6 in the morning, and they start flight by 4 minutes.
Okay. Are y'all all on the same reservation, the same place, same flight? Okay. All right.
If you could get us on an earlier flight, that would even be better, G.
We don't work for the airline, so we can't do that.
Can you take a picture of me? I want to send it to the wedding man. Is that cool?
I was gonna say, can somebody call him because he works here?
The wedding man?
Yeah.
We came down here for a wedding.
This would be a great
We
story.
just came from there too.
All right, so a little bit of what's going on. Like you said, you're being detained right now. Your boy posted something on social media which seemed like a threat to the airport. The FBI did get involved. That's why we're here, to make sure everything's okay. You are being detained right now. We just want to make sure everything's safe. We will gladly explain everything to United Airlines. Okay? You come back clear?
Oh, it's going to come back clear.
All right.
Ain't no other choice but coming back clear.
I'm gonna fly fucking again. This is ridiculous. I can't have. So you're saying I can't say anything because I'm mad about my flight. I can't say anything like that.
You have to be responsible of what you say,
I
okay?
apologize, yeah.
Otherwise, they wouldn't call us here,
But
okay? But before I ask you any question or before you say anything, let me read you your right, okay?
I'm not gonna go nowhere, sir. I'm not gonna go nowhere, sir.
Okay, so this is reference to what you posted online earlier, and we get a call from the federal government, okay? And then that's here we are, okay? Possible, yeah. Okay, so let me just read you your warning of constitutional right. before I ask you any question, okay? Okay, thank you. All right, since you're in handcuff, it's recorded that I read you your right, and you are waiving your right now, okay?
Just tell them what you told me, because before when I spoke with you, you said that
So basically-
on social media that you said you were about to pissed off.
All right, basically, we're just aggravated because we missed closing our door by 4 minutes.
Okay.
I know.
So,
give them the exact verbiage that you said when you told me.
Of course, I know. I understand.
Okay.
So basically, right when that happened, I was literally aggravated on social media. I just I'm gonna bomb this fucking airport, but it wasn't in that reference. I said I'm gonna just bomb this fucking airport because I was like, what the f? Like, oh, we missed our fucking door by 4 minutes. That's all it was.
Okay.
And after I posted it, my wife even said, you can't stop posting stuff like that. And then when I went to take it down, it literally said, your post has been removed.
Okay.
So once it did that, it went off. I'm like, okay, thank God, because it's wild. Once after I posted it, I noticed it. Like this shit, you can't say this shit.
Yeah.
And she said you gotta watch what you post. And literally, right when I went to go delete it, I got a notification literally saying it's off, and that's it. That's really it.
Okay, luckily, yeah. And which social media platform?
It was just literally Instagram. It was on my Instagram story.
Instagram. Okay.
Instagram
And it's
story.
gone now. It's been removed by
Yes,
Instagram.
Yes.
Okay. And around what time did you do it?
Honestly, our flight got missed at.
Mm-hmm.
We missed our flight by 8 o'clock, 8:10.
Right around 8:10.
Yeah, 8:10. Yeah.
So between 8 and 8:10.
Yeah, like around that time.
Okay.
Because our flight was at 8 o'clock. We got to our gate at 7:51. And we were already closed.
And after you posted, it got flagged by Instagram first,
Yes.
or you remove it first?
But right when I closed my phone, it got flagged. And when I opened up my phone and I seen it, I was like, oh shit, I went to delete it. And literally, it was already deleted.
Okay.
It was already deleted.
Okay.
Instagram works fast, so.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. When you post something about bombing.
No, when
yeah,
you post anything like has to do with curses or anything, it'll get taken down.
And verbatim, what was that post says?
It just says I'm gonna bomb this fucking airport, and then literally.
So you say I'm going to bomb this airport?
Yeah, I said I'm bombing this airport because, and then I literally deleted it. So you can search me all you want. I don't have anything on me. I promise.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go home to my son, and that's about it.
Okay. And then where you going to?
I'm going to North New Jersey.
Okay.
I gotta pick up my son. And it literally got deleted 4 minutes after I posted it.
And what gate was that you supposed to go to?
Honestly, I think we're in 8-8 at
Okay.
first.
When you take the photo and post it on Instagram, where were you?
I was honestly sitting at the Auntie Anne's right there.
Oh, so you were right here by Auntie
I
Anne?
was sitting right at
Okay.
Auntie Anne's.
Okay.
All because of post, it got deleted like 4 minutes after I
Yeah,
posted it.
it shouldn't happen in the first place.
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand that.
But like it's really moving everybody away from what's necessary though. Like I'm getting more agitated as more time passes, boss. I'm trying not to.
Okay.
I'm really trying
All
not
right.
to.
Listen, I can see things from your point of view, and I get it. Try to see things from ours. We're just going to have a K9 come, clarify, make sure everything is safe. After that, that's our boss over there. When he deems the situation is
and then
safe.
what? And then what? We're just gonna still sit at the same spot. Nobody's gonna fucking go within a 10-mile radius of us. I haven't even done nothing.
Okay. We didn't say you did. Okay.
We missed our flight. We came here 2.5 hours early.
Where you?
Just to like not be
Wait a minute,
told
you came here 2.5
correctly where
hours
to drop
early
our
and you
bags
still
off.
missed it?
Flight was at,
So we had
at
to
8,
go
we
back.
were here at 6.
Then we had to come back to the damn security line.
We missed our flight by a
which
few
took
minutes.
like 40 minutes. And then his bag got to get checked because he had a bottle of cream in there that was over 4 ounces. So that bit us in the ass when we had to get here. Literally, we were 5 minutes late before we could have at least got on the flight.
I would imagine that the specific word that we used, flag, people probably went straight to what they have for
No,
social media.
you know what's actually this is the first time I've ever seen this happen, to be honest, but he did post that. I told him, if you're gonna joke about that, at least put it in the post. And then Instagram deleted it, and we were literally like, I was like, well, there you go. Like, how did you not think that?
But you gotta remember, when we're in the airport, everything that's happened after 9/11.
Yeah, you gotta.
Listen, I get it. I totally get it. I just thought we would question first
Before homie came over and just started grabbing people up.
Yeah, like that was a little.
Okay, again,
Questions could have
if you
been
if you
asked.
did what we do and we
like,
got a potential threat of something, you know.
We're gonna get put on a checklist now.
No. Not you guys, anyway.
Yo, Rob, you always get put on a checklist, bro. Now you don't got no choice.
But I'm trying to go to different countries, so.
Now you don't got no choice, bro. You gonna have to definitely drive.
Wait, did you guys have to clear the area?
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
Oh my God. I thought people just got
It's
up
part
because
of
they got
protocol. Thanks for being patient, by the way, boss.
I'm sorry.
I'm just talking shit. Thanks for being patient.
I got people talking to me.
You call them in?
No, he said wait until the dogs clear it out.
Okay.
So y'all knew about the post?
No, I was
No.
sleeping. That's why
I
I'm so
know about it
agitated.
after it was taken down.
You knew about it after it was taken down?
Yeah.
What did he post it on? Snapchat?
Instagram.
Insta? Okay.
It's like saying, oh my fucking God, like I'm here in this stupid ass airport type of comment. But we decided to say that.
No, it's more than that, but
No. But like I'm saying,
Yeah,
like as an
definitely,
example, that's the type of attitude of the joke as where it was coming from. I don't know whether I want to laugh or cry, to be honest.
No, I'm gonna pop my shit to somebody because I still want to know why I'm a handcuff. When I haven't done anything, I didn't post anything weird.
okay.
I didn't do anything.
You did not.
Why am I in handcuffs?
Right now, you are in handcuffs because you are with someone that posted something weird. You're traveling together. We do not know the entirety of the situation, so we're making sure.
It's basically like,
Yeah.
what are those people called?
So basically,
And that is my.
I'm guilty until proven innocent.
No, we're securing the area and making sure everyone is safe. Again, that is my boss over there with the 2 stripes. Afterwards, you are more than welcome to speak to him.
He look like he not with the bullshit.
No, he's not. That's what
No,
he
he's not.
does.
So he gonna give it to you straight. That's who you want to talk to.
And I was
Now I want homie with the black. I want his name and his badge number. That's the one who I want. You were cool, she was cool, and she pulled up with him first. And another thing that don't make sense to me is, if we made it all the way through here, why the hell do we need a canine now if you just went through like 7 walls of security?
Because the FBI, our police chief, the person that runs the airport, everybody's gonna want to know what happened, and we got to make doubly sure that everybody's
So they
okay.
just really gotta confirm if we got
Yes.
any of this stuff that
We're gonna
fucking bullshit is.
again. You don't strike me as criminal of the year. You don't strike me as a terrorist.
He's a
But
menace.
we're going to trust but verify.
I feel you. Follow the process.
And I've never done anything in my life. I've graduated with 3.6 GPA. I may not have graduated college, but I started my own business from scratch. And I never got arrested.
We're gonna pull a Philadelphia 76ers. We're gonna trust the process. We just gotta get to the truck. Okay.
So he's the one that posts. He's the one that do the posting. Are we taking them all?
We're going to detain them all so that they can be interviewed. They're all going to be interviewed.
Oh, so we taking them to HQ?
Yeah.
Okay.
You are so
I'm
needy.
sorry.
All right,
I'm so
just
sorry.
messing with you. You're fine. You're fine.
Thank you so
I
much.
used to wear glasses too.
Thank you.
I know it.
I would prefer to keep that there. I have a,
We're throwing it away.
it's a burger. I paid $20 for it.
Okay, throwing it away.
Okay. I see how the fuck where this is going.
Brian, just literally.
You didn't have to throw my fucking food away. Shit isn't necessary. I fucking spent $27 for that burger, and he's gonna fucking throw it out because he wants to be an asshole. We need to fucking get this shit over with. Now I'm gonna start acting ignorant. Now I'm gonna start fucking acting ignorant.
Let's not do that, okay?
You have a car downstairs?
No, I came over because we were searching the.
You have a vehicle?
Yep.
All right, we're going to start heading to the truck board.
All right. All of them going to the station.
Yeah.
What for?
All right.
What for? Where are we going?
You're gonna have to go to the station. We haven't. He told me don't touch the IDs until they'll have
We're
their.
good now. We're good now.
Okay.
I just wanted K9 to go through it.
Okay. So, well, their IDs are still in their wallets and stuff. I don't. Okay.
It's just like when you get tap in. That's when you just.
Come on up.
Come on, man. We're gonna go all the way to the back.
I'm gonna need that other guy's name for sure.
No, the one that just disappeared that he thinks we're gonna fucking forget about.
He kept pushing me around before he pushed me around. He didn't even tell me anything. He started patting me down. Mid-pat down, that's what he wanted to tell me. When he started telling me so. But that's that in my right still. That's not in my right. That's all I'm saying. Let me know what's going on before you push me against the wall and start
We
patting me
got a
down.
baby to go home to. I don't really care for any of this. I hope you want to lesson from here, so we can go home. This one probably missing like 4 hours. And if that's the case, we have to get a rental car and drive all the way back. I'm not getting this much.
Hey, dude.
I just want to go home. So I'm tired.
You get to ride in a police car? That's fucking fire, bro. I've never been arrested before, bro, so, you know, it's kind of exciting.
Alright, best way to do it. Step up to whatever strong.
Yeah, we're vertically challenged here. All right.
Watch your head.
Yeah. Duck down. Oh, athletic.
Can you get on the other side?
Yeah.
I got a question though. Am I gonna get like, I have to get naked and get searched too?
We don't do strip search here.
I just want to
Are any of those officers gonna be in the car with us? I would like one of them to. I would feel a lot better if one of them was in the car. I don't know. What you threw on my burger? I don't know. I'm not going. Oh, you're not? Okay, good. Okay. Anything with the B word, that shit definitely gonna get flagged.
150.
This is the police station. We're gonna leave your stuff out here for a second.
Okay, sure.
For a second.
take it, anything like that. I'm just saying.
There's a camera back here too.
But you best believe they went through our whole life histories by now, kid. We're gonna tell you what you did in 2nd grade.
All right, I'm gonna close the door. If you want to use the bathroom, go ahead.
You said don't close the door, right?
Huh?
You said don't close the door?
No, I'm gonna close the door.
Under Virginia versus Black, the Supreme Court established that true threats fall outside First Amendment protection. A true threat is defined as a statement where a reasonable person would interpret it as a serious expression of intent to commit unlawful violence. The key legal question is not whether the speaker actually intended to carry out the threat, but whether a reasonable person would perceive it as credible. The subject's location at the threatened facility elevated the threat's credibility significantly, demonstrating both opportunity and proximity. Officers conducted an investigatory detention under Terry versus Ohio, which permits stops based on reasonable suspicion that criminal activity is occurring. The FBI notification of a flagged social media threat provided articulable, reasonable suspicion, satisfying the Fourth Amendment standard. When the subject immediately admitted, "I deleted it right away," he provided crucial evidence confirming he made the post, eliminating any question of mistaken identity. The deletion itself is legally significant as evidence of consciousness of guilt, showing he recognized the post crossed legal boundaries. Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of officer actions must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with hindsight. Officers knew only that the FBI flagged a bomb threat at an airport from someone currently in the terminal. The protective pat-down search was justified under Terry's Frisk doctrine when investigating potential violence or explosives. Officers properly balanced security concerns with constitutional rights by clearly stating, "You are being detained," and explaining the FBI involvement. The decision to transport the subject to the station for FBI interview falls within the permissible scope of a Terry stop when the investigation involves federal terrorism statutes. Florida Statute 790.163 makes it a second-degree felony to make false reports concerning bombs or explosives at public facilities. Penalties include up to 15 years imprisonment and $10,000 in fines, though first-time offenders typically receive reduced sentences. Federal law 18 U.S.C. Section 844, subsection E, criminalizes threats involving explosives with a maximum 10-year sentence. The subject's claim of frustration over missing his flight provides no legal defense to threatening speech. Emotional distress or anger does not transform illegal threats into constitutionally protected expression. Instagram's automated threat detection system flagged the post before deletion, demonstrating that social media platforms actively monitor and report credible threats. Federal law requires social media companies to report threats of violence to appropriate law enforcement agencies. The subject's companions were properly detained for investigatory purposes, but released after interviews confirmed they had no knowledge of or involvement in the threat. This demonstrates appropriate investigative scope, detaining only those necessary to confirm or dispel reasonable suspicion. Officers maintained professional demeanor throughout, despite the companion's accusations of aggressive behavior. The use of perspective-taking statements like, "Look at it from our point of view," "The FBI is involved," represents effective de-escalation. One tactical error occurred when an officer discarded the subject's purchased meal, creating unnecessary conflict over a non-security item. This decision nearly triggered escalation when the subject stated, "Now I'm going to start acting ignorant." Better practice would have been storing the food with other property, maintaining rapport without compromising security. The subject's continued cooperation, despite frustration, demonstrated some capacity for self-control under stressful circumstances. However, his failure to invoke Fifth Amendment rights or request counsel before FBI interview represented a significant tactical error on his part. In felony investigations involving potential federal charges, immediate legal representation is crucial. The evidence photograph shows Instagram's violation notice, confirming the platform deemed the content a credible threat requiring law enforcement notification. After detective and FBI interviews, the subject was charged with 1 count of bomb threat and transported to Orient Road Jail. For law enforcement grading, Tampa Airport police officers Pascali and Garcon receive an A-. They demonstrated strong constitutional compliance, properly articulating reasonable suspicion, and maintaining detention within legal bounds. Their clear communication explaining the FBI involvement and detention status satisfied Fourth Amendment notice requirements. Professional demeanor remained consistent despite challenging questions from companions, and they used effective de-escalation techniques. The grade reduction reflects the burger incident, a minor but avoidable tactical error that temporarily undermined rapport. The detained passenger receives a D+ grade for his conduct. Posting threatening content about an airport while physically present at that airport represents profoundly poor judgment and clear criminal conduct. This is the definitional example of an unprotected, true threat under Supreme Court precedent. The grade avoids failure solely because he maintained physical cooperation throughout detention, never resisting or escalating to violence. His immediate admission of posting the content showed some acceptance of responsibility, though this also incriminated him. The passenger's wife receives a B grade for appropriately balancing concern for her partner with recognition of law enforcement authority. Her questioning was within First Amendment protected speech and did not constitute obstruction. Key lessons from this case. Social media posts carry real legal consequences, particularly in security-sensitive environments like airports. Deleting a post does not erase liability once automated systems flag threatening content. The First Amendment protects vast categories of speech, but true threats fall outside constitutional protection, regardless of claimed intent. When detained for serious offenses, invoke your right to remain silent and request an attorney immediately. Emotional frustration never justifies threatening language, and context matters tremendously in determining whether speech crosses into criminal territory. For law enforcement, small tactical decisions like handling personal property can significantly impact subject cooperation and case outcomes. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.